Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and my name is Ann. And if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup stuff. We do makeup unboxings, we do makeup looks, makeup tutorials, anything really related to makeup we do. And today we're going to be doing the July Ipsy plus Unbagging. Finally, I don't know, I kind of forgot about where I had ordered like some add-ons, and I had done some bought the mystery bag. I don't know, I kind of forgot. Then it hit me all at once that I had not got my plus, but I finally did get it, and here she is. So this is just a monthly subscription. You get makeup, beauty items, and it does cost well, they do have like 3 different boxes. They have the Ipsy regular bag for $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes you do get like a full size product. Like sometimes you get an Orphan Highlighter, which I love. Other times you might get a lipstick or a nail polish or something like that, or an eyeliner. I haven't been getting a lot of eyeliners lately, but then they have the Ipsy Plus, which we're unboxing, and it is $25 a month, but you get 5 full size products, and I always love that. And then they have the Ipsy Ultimate. You get 12 products in total for $50. 8 of them are full size, 12 of them are deluxe size samples. In which each bag you do, or box subscription, you do get a makeup bag, which is small, medium, and large. And I don't know, this kind of looks to me, and I hate to be like this, but it does look like it belongs in the small bag. It is cute. Purple is my favorite color, if you guys did not know that. But I think the medium one should have been a little bit bigger, but that's just my personal opinion. And it is cute. I like the little purple with the turquoise. And I think the theme this month is like staycation or take a break. So yes, take a break. And I don't think, see, they're not doing a regular thing, so we don't need that. And here's what the inside of the box looks like. I do like the yellow. It's kind of different. Normally it's orange, but the bag is really cute. I know my other one had like a little plane on it, and here is the plane. So cute. Okay, so I do like that. Okay, so our first item is Tarte of the Sea. It is the Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara, and we're getting 9 milliliters, which is 0.3 flow ounces, and it's supposed to make your eyes do this, I hope. Because I've got lashes like this, and I always want big lashes. And here it is. It is a pretty good size too, but I mean, that's a good size. So here it is. I do like it. I think it's very pretty. I don't know what it's going to do. Let me just put a little bit on my lower lash. On my lower lash, it's doing, I don't know if you guys can see that. I can get a little closer. I mean, it's really making them look like long, and I forgot to put any mascara on my lower lash, but look at that. That is like bringing them down to all the way down in here, which I do like. So I do like that. Like, you can tell, look at the difference. And it don't really like take much. Okay, big difference. So I like that. I don't know if it's gonna work that good, but it's worth a try. So I do like it. I like the application of it, so can't wait to try it on the whole lash. Okay, so our next product is by Natural Cartel, and the packaging is so cute. Okay, so what is this? This is Brilliant Shimmer Lip Gloss. We got the color VCR Static. VCR aesthetic. Ooh. I like the doe foot on it. It's the kind that holds it in the center. It's like a little iridescent. We will put some right here. It is. It's got little pieces of glitter in it. I did get some of my lipstick on it, but it does have like an iridescent. Then it's got all kinds of little pieces of glitter in it. So I do like that. Okay. Our next product is Salam Vagine. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. Vagine, I think. And this is a Hydroactive Eye Cream. Totally regenerates. Anti-wrinkle and brightens, blends sodium DNA. Dermatologist tested. It's by Duff and Doft. And we're getting 25 milliliters, 0.9 flow ounces. And it is completely wrapped in plastic. So I love a good eye cream. I never complain if I get good skincare, if it's good skincare. I have used some of the Duff and Doft before and other stuff. So right here it is. It feels really, really good. I like the way it feels. It's got a slight sense to it. Nothing like overpowering. Like the smell's already going away. Okay. Then we have by who? Oh, Make It. I love their makeup. It's like, I absolutely love their stuff. They have an eyeliner that I absolutely love. I got a lipstick I got by them that I absolutely love. My brow pencil. I love my brow pencil I got from them. Like, I got some other stuff. I absolutely love their stuff. Okay, so this is the Color Boss Multi-Dimension Eye Color. We're getting 25 grams, which is 0.0 ounce. 0.08 ounce. Let me grab that. Oh, I'm back. Okay. So, I think you just like, it's got a little piece of, no. It looks like it just pulls apart. Yes, it's got, I knew it. I thought I was seeing tape somewhere. So, it's got a little piece of tape. I like it. That's cute. Different. I like different. I like when people put that little extra in there. I've got hair now on my lips, sticking to my lips. Ooh, I hate that. Okay, so this is heavy. So this feels like some kind of metal material. I mean, this is so cute. I mean, just really, really cute. So, there she is. And what color did we got? Shopaholic. I like that. So I really like that. It's great. You could use this as a highlighter if you wanted to. Even though they said it's eyeshadow. I could see myself putting this all over the lid. And like a nice little neutral eyeshadow in the crease and good to go. I can see myself popping this in the corner. I could see myself using this for a brow highlighter. I can see myself using this as a normal highlighter. I've got a highlighter from Pretty Vulgar, almost the same color, so, and by other companies, you know, so this is like an all-around thing I could use for anything. Okay. Last product already. And it is an Orphan Highlighter. And so, I already got an Orphan Highlighter this month. I got one last month too. But I've already got one this month. And I got one last month. But mine last month was pink. And I absolutely love it. Orphan Highlighters are one of my favorites. They really just, like, they are, do the bling. They, like, when you put that girl on, she's going to blind you. I mean, I just love them. So these are, like, some of my favorites. I wish, if I knew I was going to get this, I would have laid out my glazed donut Orphan Highlighter. And I would have, like, shown you guys a thing. But this is the Ofra times Nikki Tutorial glazed donuts. And I already have this. So, here's what we're going to do. It's going to go to one of you guys. Because there's no use for me to keep it. I already have one. And so, it ain't no use for me to keep it. I'm trying to think. And I actually might already have two of them, to be honest with you. So I'm going to keep this, and this is what it looks like. I will open the pan, but I'm not going to touch it in any shape or form. I mean, she is beautiful. And you can actually, I just seen Nikki talking about it the other day on her channel. They are beautiful highlighters. They are some of the best there is. I really like them. And let me see. No. This is my pink one. I don't know where my glazed donut one is. But see, here's is what Ofra does. They're like, I mean, they come through, they're like, ooh. They're just so pretty. So there's some of my favorite. I wish I had the other one here so I could show you. But I have been trying to clean everything up, and I have got nothing but a big mess. So what you have to do to get this is, let me see. And this will be going along with it. It is a Luxie brush. And it is the Precision Tapered brush. It is right here. I do have one. I did Ipsy add-ons. I don't know why I got this one. I didn't want it. I don't even know how I ended up with it. I think I clicked on it and ordered the wrong brush. But to get these two, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video. And you do have to leave a comment. And this will go for 2 weeks. I don't know what the date is in 2 weeks, but I will announce the winner in exactly 2 weeks from the date of this video going out. So that's all you have to do. You must be subscribed, and I do check. I do get on and make sure that you are a subscriber, and you have to like it and comment. And that is it. And I wish you guys luck. I've had last time Carrie Smith was the winner. She has already received her brushes that I received from Ipsy last month. And she's already received them. So, just make sure you do that. I forgot about even telling everybody the winner last time. I went ahead and wrote her on Instagram. Because I do that. Because I know sometimes you like announce the winners and they don't get a hold of you. I do think that I am going to start doing that, is announcing the winners, and if the person don't get a hold of me, move on to somebody else. But right now, a lot of times I do go ahead and just write the winners so that I can tell them and stuff like that, so they know they win without having to come back and check. But I guess that is it. If you do want to try Ipsy for yourself, I will put the link down below. And I guess that's it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.